To all our highly esteemed Nabo clients and all our business partners and all investors out there who believe so passionately about the opportunity in Africa, I want to just say it's been a very interesting year, 2018. We began the first quarter on a bullish trend, and there was a feel-good factor in all of us that this was going to be a great year. Then April happened. The emerging market sell-off began, and within 3 months, markets had turned from green to red everywhere in the continent. As we come to the close of the year, there's a good feeling because of the valuations. They're so cheap, and we've been working really hard with my team to position ourselves for the next bull run. And I just want to say to all our investors out there, enjoy your Christmas, because we've been doing some really hard work and we've positioned ourselves to take on 2019 with great success. Enjoy your Christmas, Merry Christmas, and looking forward to partnering with you in 2019. My name is Pius Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. Take care.